Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by quitting Final Cut Pro X so you don't corrupt files. Next, locate your libraries in Finder, typically in Movies, and check where media is stored, whether inside the library bundle or externally. Once done, reveal package contents of any. FCP bundle to see current events and render files. This is where cache lives. Make sure to note backup locations and external drives to avoid deleting original media by mistake. You now remove generated files to free space. Open each library package and delete render files, transcoded media, and analysis files. These are safe to remove because Final Cut will regenerate them. For libraries with external media, navigate to Motion Templates and Cache folders and delete only generated items, not masters. Once removed, empty trash and restart Final Cut to let it rebuild necessary previews. You finish by reopening Final Cut and playing the timeline to confirm everything relinks and any missing media is reconnected. If playback looks odd, use File Delete Generated Library Files and choose only render or optimized /proxy media as needed. This is a safer, app-native method. If caches stubbornly persist, restart your Mac and verify file permissions. A key troubleshooting tip: always work on a copy of the library when performing bulk deletions so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.